Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to quickly connect N8N to Ollama. Now the first thing I want you to do is to access your N8N instance, and then I want you to log in, then come at the top right, click on create workflow. Just search up for Ollama model, okay, and then you can add the node by clicking it. So let's do Ollama chat model, or you can choose Ollama model, whichever one you wanted. And then we need to go ahead and use a credential to connect to it. So if you didn't configure this already, click on create new credential. And then you just basically enter the base URL of your Ollama instance. So depending on your hosting environment, where you hosted it, whether it was on your device, it could be a local host or the name of your Ollama Docker container, and then hit on save, and then you can test the connection. Okay. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and choose the model. So we have selected our Ollama account, we have connected that. We choose the model you want to go ahead and use, and then we can go ahead and start configuring the prompts. Okay, you can define your prompts, and once you have done that, as you can see right here, once you've defined everything, you can do a test prompt and verify that everything is working properly. The Ollama model works properly when receiving input via N8N. And once you're done, you just save your workflow. Okay? Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.